Let's see question number 6. A chord of circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the areas of corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. In this question we should take pi value as 3.14 and root 3 value as 1.73. Let's draw the question. Let's consider center as O. In this question given radius is 15 centimeter, so I am taking it as OA is 15 centimeter and OB also I will take it as 15 centimeter. In the question given, a chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. So I am drawing here OB as 15 centimeter. Then I will join AB. AB is subtending 60 degree at the center. Find the areas of corresponding minor and major segment of this circle. Let's see. Firstly, we will write the given data. Given radius equal to OA equals to OB equals to 15 centimeter. Angle subtended by AB at the center is 60 degree. So I am writing theta is equal to 60 degree. And we know already about minor segment and major segment. In this figure, AB is the given chord. Below AB, which is shaded in green color, is minor segment. Above AB, major segment. In this question they are asking to find out area of both the segments, area of minor segment as well as area of major segment. Firstly, let's find out the area of minor segment, which is shaded in green color. We know that area of minor segment is equals to area of sector minus area of triangle. Here name of the sector is OAB and name of the triangle also OAB. As we know, area of sector is theta by 360 multiplied by pi r square minus area of triangle r square by 2 multiply sine theta. Let's put the values. Theta is 60 degree, so 60 upon 360 multiply by pi value, we should take it as 3.14 r square, that is 15 square, minus 15 square upon 2 multiply sine 60 degree. Sine 60 value is equal to root 3 by 2. So after doing calculation, we will get area of sector is equal to 117.75 centimeter square. 15 square by 2 multiply sine 60 value, root 3 by 2. Nextly, 117.75 minus 15 square value is 225 multiply root 3 upon 4. Then we'll calculate the area of triangle, that is equal to 97.31 centimeter square. After doing subtraction, we will get 20.44 centimeter square, which is area of minor segment. Now let's find out area of major segment also. We know that area of major segment is equals to, from whole circle we will subtract the green portion, area of green portion, then we will get the area of major segment. That's why I am writing here area of circle minus area of minor segment, which you have found in first part, this one. Now let's write the area of circle formula, that is pi r square, and area of minor segment already found previously, that is 20.44. Pi value 3.14 given in the question. So I am writing here 3.14 multiply, given radius is 15, so 15 square I am writing, minus 20.44, then 3.14, 15 square is 225, minus 20.44. After multiplying we will get 706.5 centimeter square minus 20.44, that is equals to 686.06 centimeter square.